Namaskar. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really special for me as I'm going to make a centerpiece for my art studio where I'm going to showcase all my passions. So kindly do watch the video till end. All my lovely subscribers, by now you might be knowing what are my passions, interests, what do I do regularly, and people who are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe to my channel and do watch all the videos to know what exactly I do and what are my interests, because as I stated earlier, today's art piece is basically the combination of all my interests together. And this is also again a piece, like it's also again a best out of waste, wherein I have used all the the materials which I was not going to use or was a scrap basically. So as in the video you can see, I have taken plywoods which was not of use, which was a scrap, and then I have taken wooden pieces, again a scrap. So this is so basically these plywoods are my base for the centerpiece. With that I have taken fevicryl molded, then fevicol common stationery items, and then I have taken actual cutouts of my own work. Yes, this time I haven't taken the cutouts from Google because this artwork is about my interests. So I thought that I will be showcasing my work through this. So I have taken all the cutouts of my work with respect to whatever is my hobby, as you will be able to see in the video. And then common stationery stuff and transparent tape, and then nails to hang, fevibond, twine, fevicol, varnish. So these are the products that I have taken to make this centerpiece. So let's begin. So to start with, firstly I painted all the bases, I mean the plywoods and the wooden stick, and also pasted the sticks behind the plywood because the plywood will be very light and it needs to be strong so that it can take the weight of the hangings, the nails, and the work that I will be doing on it. So that's the reason after everything was painted, I then pasted the wooden sticks behind the plywood, and also as you can see in the video, I nailed I made holes to the plywood so that I can attach it to one another through twine, and I also inserted nails in the wood. Once that was done, as usual I then mixed the fevicryl molded, made strings out of it so that I could paste it on the the base of whatever is my interest. So that is what I did. I made it and kept it aside, and I started writing whatever I wanted to on the plywood, as you can see in this video, with the fevicol, and then I pasted the fevicryl molded strings on it, I mean on the fevicol, and let it dry. And until that was dry, I then got the cutouts of my artwork. I pasted it on a cardboard, a thick cardboard, and then I cut those cardboards again because those are my main figures now. And then I gave the border, like I pasted quilling strips around the border to cover the cardboard, and I also then covered the figure with transparent tape to give it a glossy look. And once this was completed, my fevicryl molded was also dry, so I painted the writings on the base with the I painted the fevicryl molded, which I wrote it on the base, and then let it dry again. And meanwhile I pasted these figures as well respectively on the bases, as you can see. And once this was also pasted, I then started making, I already made holes, so we just have to, I what I did was, I wanted this to be like together, all of these together, and not different name plates as such. So I hanged it. Basically, I tied all these plywoods together through a twine, and then I fixed it to a main nail, as you can see, and my centerpiece was ready with the hanging. I then varnished the entire nameplate. That's it, my centerpiece is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have liked the video, kindly thumbs up and share it as much as possible. And do try it out for yourselves as well. And post it on social media. And do tag me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will surely share the post or the story with everyone. Also, do follow me on my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, and do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you again and have a good day.